So stage 5 is developing a curriculum. Now, more often than not, when training design is taking place, is that we look at just what the learning outcomes are. We actually forget to encompass this formal curriculum plan, which looks at the entire process from beginning to end. And we want to look at the lifetime process of all of our employees if we're going to have the most effective business operations. So again, we're looking at what would somebody's training and education and learning and development journey be like from the day they start and have their induction right the way through to their long-term career with your business, because that's what you're aiming for essentially. You want to keep those skills and that knowledge and expertise in the company. So why aren't we planning enough for that? This just doesn't happen very much. So in our curriculum plan, now our template is actually an Excel sheet, this version, and we do sell those templates if you are interested in getting your hands on that. So we'd be looking at every single module from the required through to the desired skills in its progressive chronological order. We'd also be looking at what the specific learning outcomes for each of those are. So we wouldn't be looking at just the learning outcomes overall for the whole entire curriculum. That would be the main aims and objectives of the curriculum for that particular job role, for instance. But like a qualification has multiple modules to it, each of those modules may have 20 or 30 learning outcomes to them. So in our curriculum planning, that's what we do, is we break down every element of learning as if it's like a module and what the specific learning outcomes are for each of those modules. We'd be looking at the delivery methods for each of those particular learning outcomes, as well as the assessment criteria. How are we assessing the student? How are we assessing the actual training implementation methodologies itself? And what delivery methods and types are we going to use to actually get that learning out there?